Now students, now we are going to do our workbook problems. See here, the first workbook problems, in the first bit, subtract the following, So here 73 and 32. So these 32 we have to subtract from 73. Now first we have to write in expanded form subtraction. Then 7 tenths, 3 ones. 73 means 7 tenths and 3 ones. Now 32 means 3 tenths, 2 ones. 3 tenths, 2 ones. Okay? 7 tenths, 3 ones, 3 tenths, 2 ones, 32. Now first we have to subtract this ones column, 3 minus 2. In 3 we have to subtract 2. 2 fingers we have to close. 1, 2. 1 finger is left. 3 minus 2 is 1. 1 ones. And 7 tenths and 3 tenths. In 7 tenths we have to subtract 3 tenths. Means we have to close 3 fingers. 1, 2, 3. 4. 4 tenths left. 4 tenths. 4 tenths and 1 ones. That is 41. 4 tenths and 1 ones. 41 is the answer. Now, in the next question, so we have to subtract 54 from 95. First, we have to write in expanded form. 95 means 9 tenths, 5 ones. Now, 54 means 5 tenths, 4 ones. Then after that, after expanded form, first we have to subtract this ones places first. 5 ones. In 5 ones we have to subtract 4 ones. In 5 we have to close 4 fingers. Then 1 finger is left. That means 1 ones. Now in 9 tenths we have to close 5 tenths. Means in 9 fingers, so we have to close 5 fingers. Then 4 fingers left. That means 4 tenths. 4 tenths, 1 ones. That is 41. This is also answer 41. Okay, 41. So this is the first method. So applying expanded form. So in that method we subtract. So here in the second concept, subtraction by using tens and ones. Using tens and ones we have to subtract. So then the first question, the subtract 27 from 38. From 38 we have to subtract 27. Now this is ones, this is tens. First from number we have to take 38 and 27 minus. Ones, first we subtract ones, that is 8 minus 7. 8 minus 7 is how much? In 8 fingers, if you closed 7 fingers, then 1 finger is left. That is 1 ones. That one we have to write in ones place. Then tens. 3 tenths minus 2 tenths. 3 minus 2. 3 fingers. In that, if you close 2 fingers, then 1 is left. 1. 3 minus 2 is 1. The answer is 11. Okay? Now, the second one. Subtract 33 from 69. From 69 we have to subtract 33. First places, this is ones and this is tens. 69 first, from number we have to take, and 33. First ones column we have to subtract. 9 minus 3. 9 minus 3 means open 9 fingers. In that closed 3 fingers. 1, 2, 3. Then how many fingers left? 6. If you subtract ones, the difference is 6. That we have to keep in ones place. Now tens. 6 minus 3. 6 minus 3 means open 6 fingers and after that close 3 fingers. Then 3 fingers left. That means if you find the difference of tens, that is 3. This is our difference. Okay. Now, after this, the next one, first place is ones, second is tens. So, 84 from number we have to take first and 11. First ones place we have to minus 4 minus 1. Open 4 fingers and in that closed 1 finger, 3 fingers left. It means 4 minus 1 is 3. 3 is in ones place. Then after that 8 minus 1 in tens column. First open 8 fingers, in that closed 1 finger, then 7 fingers left. 8 minus 1 is 7. 7 in tens place. The answer is 73. Now, here this is ones and this one is tens. Subtract. From number is 75 and after that 25. Then ones place we have to subtract. First 5. 5 minus 5. Ones places. Open 5 fingers, close 5 fingers. 5 minus 5. Nothing is left. It means 0. 5 minus 5 is 0. Then after that 7 minus 2. First you open 7 fingers and close 2 fingers. Then 5 fingers left. Then it means 5 in tens place. The answer is 50. So, this is method to use tens and ones. Using tens and ones we subtracted here. Now, the next here see. So, we have to subtract 62 from 86. Then 6 minus 2 is how much? 6 fingers. Open 6 fingers and close 2 fingers. 6 minus 2 is 4. 4. 8 minus 6. Open 8 fingers and closed 6 fingers. Then 2 fingers left. It is 24. Okay. Then here 6 minus 2, again 6 minus 2. Open 6 fingers and close 2 fingers. 6 minus 2 is 4. 4 in ones place. 9 minus 4. Open 9 fingers, close 4 fingers. 9 minus 4 is 5. 5 in tens place. 54. Now, the next one. Here, ones place, we have to subtract ones place first. 5 minus 3. Open 5 fingers, then after that closed 3 fingers. 2 fingers left. 5 minus 3 is 2. 7 minus 1. Open 7 fingers, close 1 finger. 7 minus 1 is 6. 6 is in tens place. In the same way, 8 minus 4. Open 8 fingers and closed 4 fingers. Then 4 fingers left. In ones place 4. 3 minus 1 in tens place. 3. Closed 1 finger. 3 minus 1 is 2. 3 minus 1 is 2. 24. Then 8 minus 3. 8, not 8 minus 3. 85. This 53 we have to subtract from 85. That is 5 minus 3. 5 minus 3 in ones place. First we subtract ones place 5. 5 in 5, 3 fingers we have to close. 2 left. 2 in ones place. Then after that 8 minus 5. Open 8 fingers and closed 5 fingers. 8 minus 5 is 3. 32. Okay. Now F. So 43 we have to subtract from 59. Then first subtract in ones place 9. Open 9 fingers and closed 3 fingers. 9 minus 3 is 6. And in tens place 5 minus 4. Open 5 fingers and closed 4 fingers. 1 finger is left. That is 1 in tens place. Okay. Now here 69 and 35. 35 we have to subtract from 69. That is 9 minus 5. Open 9 fingers and closed 5 fingers. 9 minus 5 is 4. 4 in ones place. Then in tens place 6 and 3. Open 6 fingers and closed 3 fingers. 6 minus 3 is 3. 3 in tens place. Now, the next one. 34 we have to subtract from 84. First we have to subtract ones place. In ones place 4 minus 4. Open 4 fingers and closed 4 fingers. 4 minus 4 is nothing is left, 0. Then after that in tens place 8 and 3. First open 8 fingers and closed 3 fingers. 8 minus 3 is 5. 5 in tens place. Answer is 50. In this way we have to subtract. We should subtract. Okay. Now students, next concept, subtract with borrowing. So with borrowing we have to subtract. Okay. So the first question, we have to subtract 29 from 38. So this is in ones place, this is in tens place. First we have to subtract ones places, 8 and 9 we have to see. 8 is less than 9. If 8 is less than 9, then what we have to take? We have to take borrow from the next place. 110 we have to take. Out of 3 tens, if you take 110 borrow, then 2 tens left. Then 110 means 10 ones. 10 plus 8, 18 ones you will get. 18 ones you will get. 10 plus 8, 18, that we have to take here. Okay. Now, 18 minus 9 is how much? From 10 to 18 we have to count. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. It is 9. Means 18 minus 9 is 9. Then 2. Here 2 minus 2. 2 minus 2. 2 minus 2 0. Same number minus same number is 0. The answer is 9. Okay. Now here in the second question, so we have to subtract 39 from 48. Now here also, first we have to subtract our ones places, 8 and 9. So 8 is less than this 9. So we have to take borrow from the next place, that is from tens place. Out of 4 tens, if you take 1 10 borrow, then 3 tens left. Here 10 we are taking borrow, 10 plus 8 is 18. 18 ones you will get. 18 minus 9 means from 10 to 18 we have to count again. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. It is 9. 18 minus 9 is 9. And after that in tens place, 3 minus 3. 3 minus 3 is 0. This is also 9. Okay. Now the next question. So 15 we have to subtract from 20. So 0 is lesser than this 5. So we have to take 110 borrow from the next place. Out of 2 tens, if you take 110 borrow, then you left 110. And 0 and 110. 0 plus 10 is 10. 10 ones you will get. Now 10 minus 5 means from 6 to 10 we have to count. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. It is 5. And after that in tens place, 1 and 1. 1 minus 1 is 0. Okay. The next question. 28 is subtracted from 45. So first ones place, 5 and 8. 5 is less than this 8. So you take 110 borrow. So out of 4 tens, if you take 110 borrow, then 3 tens left. Here 10 plus 5, 15 you will get. 15 minus 8 means from 9 to 15 we have to count. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. It is 7. Now 3 minus 2. 3 minus 2. In 3 fingers, if you close 2 fingers, 1 finger is left. It means 1. 3 minus 2 is 1. Okay. The difference is 17. Now here, so 13 we have to subtract from 20. Then first ones place 0 and 3. 0 is less than 3. So we have to take borrow from the next place. 110 we have to take borrow. If out of 2 tens, if you take 110 borrow, then 110 left. Then here 0 plus 10 is 10. 10 ones you will get. 10 minus 5, so 10 minus 3 means from 4 to 10 we have to count. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. It is 7. 10 minus 3 is 7. 1 minus 1, same number minus same number is 0. Now here 15 we have to subtract from 33. So 3 is less than this 5 in ones place. So we have to take 110 borrow from the next digit. So if you take 110 borrow, then how many tens? 3 tens left. 2 tens left. In 3 tens, if you take 110, then 2 tens left. Here 10 plus 3, 13 you will get. 13 minus 5 means from 6 to 13 you have to count. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. It is 8. 13 minus 5 is 8. 2 minus 1 is 1. Our difference is 18. Now, the next question, 25 we have to subtract from 42. First ones place ones digit 2 and 5. 2 is less than 5. So, take 110 borrow. So, out of 4 if we take 110 borrow, then 3 tens left. Here 10 plus 2, 12 tens you will get. 12 minus 5 means from 6 to 12 we have to count. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. It is 7. 3 minus 2, it is 1. 3 minus 2 is 1. The difference is 17. And again here, 18 we have to subtract from 36. So, first we subtract this one's columns. 6 is less than 8. Take 110 borrow. Here it is 2. Here you will get 16. 10 plus 6, 16. So, from 9 to 16 we have to count. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. It is 8. 2 minus 1. 2 minus 1 is 1. The difference is 18. Okay. In this way we have to take borrow and subtract if the first number is lesser than the second number. Okay. So, then in this bit more 4 questions, similar questions were there. So, that similar questions you do as your home assignment. Okay. Now, word problems. See here students, the first word problem is Anita and Shalini made 67 holiday cookies. How many? 67. They made 67 holiday cookies. So, they decorated 49 cookies. How many they decorated? 49 already they decorated. So, then how many more cookies they have left to decorate? Total cookies were given. So, that is 67. In that 67, 49 cookies were decorated. Then how many cookies left to decorate? So, that means we have to subtract in total cookies, this decorated cookies we have to subtract. Then you will get how many more cookies left to decorate. Okay. First, total. First here, total cookies. How many cookies total? 67 cookies were there. Decorated cookies. Decorated. How many decorated? 49 cookies decorated. More cookies to decorate. How many more cookies were there to decorate? Okay. So, that we have to find. Okay. Then number of cookies left to decorate. How many cookies left to decorate? Number of cookies left to decorate. So, we have to find. First, this is ones place, this is tens place. So, here first we have to find the difference of the ones place. Here 7 is less than 9. 7 is less than 9. Then if first number is less than the second number, then what we have to do? So, we have to take borrow from the next. So, here 6 tens are there. In 6 tens, if you take 1 10 borrow, then 5 tens left. Here 5 tens left. Here 5 tens means 10 ones. 10 plus 7, here 17. So, from 17, so we have to minus this 9. Then how to minus? From 10 to 17 we have to count. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. It is 8. 17 minus 9 is 8 and 5 minus 4. 5 in that 4 you minus it. Then you will get 1. Okay. 1. 18. Okay. 18 is 18 cookies left to decorate. Next, the second one. 45 kites were flying in the air. How many? 45. Total 45 kites were flying in the air. In that 45, 7 of them crushed. How many? 17. So 1 7, 17 of them crushed. Then how many kites were left flying in the air? So how many left we have to find? How many left means we have to subtract. In the total kites, so the number of kites crushed, that we have to subtract. Then you will get how many left in the sky. Okay. First steps. Kites in the sky. Kites in the sky. How many? 45 kites. Kites crushed. How many? 17 kites crushed. Then kites left in the sky. Kites left. Kites left in the sky. Okay. Kites left in the sky we have to find. Okay. How many kites left in the sky? So now this is 1's place, this is 10's place. First we subtract 1's place, 5 and 7. 5 is less than 7. Then we have to take borrow from the next place. 4 tens. In 4 tens we have to take 1 10 borrow, then 3 tens left. 3 tens left. Here 1 10 is equal to 10 tens. 10 plus 5, 15 you will get here. Now 15 minus 7. Then how to find? From 8 to 15 we have to count. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. It is 8. Okay. 3 minus 1. In 3, so subtract 1. So then you will get 2. 28. This many kites left in the sky. After 17 kites crushed, then how many kites left in the sky? 28 kites left. Okay. Next question, see. 63 people are at the coffee. 63 people are at the coffee shop. How many? 63 peoples. They are at the coffee shop, and 11 live to catch the flight. How many? 11. 11 people they live to catch the flight. Then how many are left in the coffee shop? Left means minus. So here in the total people, how many are left? That we have to subtract. Then you will get how many left. Okay. People at coffee shop. At coffee shop. Then 63 people's left. People's left to catch flight. To catch flight. How many left? 11 left. Then how many people's left at coffee shop? How many people's left at coffee shop? He is asking. Now we have to find people's left at coffee shop. People left at coffee shop. How many people's left at coffee shop? This is ones and tens. First we have to subtract ones place. 3 minus 1. 3 is a bigger, we can minus. In 3 we have to minus 1, means we have to close one finger. Then how many left? 2. 2. And after that 6 minus 1, tens place. In 6 fingers we have to close one finger. Then 5 fingers left. 52. Okay. 52 people left at coffee shop. Okay. Now the next one, I built 27 snowmen. How many snowmen in a field? 27 snowmen I built. So total 27 snowmen I built. Some of them melted. There are 15 snowmen. Then there were 15 snowmen. After melting, out of 27. So after some snowmen melted, so then 15 left. Then how many melted? How many melted? Means in the total snowmen, so how many left, that we have to subtract. Then you will get how many melted. Then you get how many melted. Then first total snowmen, total snowmen, how many? 27. Melted, snowmen left, snowmen left after melting, 15 snowmen left. Then how many melted? Snowmen melted. How many number of snowmen melted? How many? So it means this is 1's place, this is 10's place. First we have to subtract 1's place, 7 and 5. 7 is a bigger and 5 is a smaller. Bigger minus smaller we can minus, means in 7, 5 we have to subtract, then 2 left, it is 2. Then 2 minus 1 in 10's place, 2 tens, in that 1 10 we have to minus, then 1 10 is left. It means 12 snowmen melted. Okay. So we have to write the steps and subtract.